Yeah. Neely just caught a fucking bird. I want to see how he can unhook this.
I don't know.
I better not get attacked, bro. That's all I'm at. Oh, you might have to cut the line, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. You might have to cut it, bro. People are fucking looking. I'm trying to find out, see where that shit hooked up to.
Maybe he can tangle it. I don't know. Can I just cut it?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I mean, that bird's not gonna let you touch it. Let it fly. You got a kite.
Why you gotta say shit like that?
I don't know. Cut it now, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? I seen it too. I seen your lure freaking hit him. I seen your line go up and out of the water. Just cut it out. You don't want to lose too much, bro. It's a dumb bird.
Dumb ass bird. No, with much. You got a wire cutter? I don't know where mom.
Oh, it's underneath your seat.
Goddamn bird.
Yeah, try to grab the bird. Reel it back in and try to grab it.
You think that
Get on camera.
You just saw me almost get attacked.
Yeah, if you grab the neck, choke it. They can't bite you if you choke it. I don't know, bro. You really gonna grab it?
Should I?
It's up to you.
I don't want to leave the fucking shit on him. Damn it. Cut it.
Yeah, fuck it. Hey!
Did you get this in recording?
Hell yeah, it's recording right now. You caught something.
Shut the hell up.
You didn't really get skunked, bro. Are you thinking about it?
I already cut it.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh, no wonder it's swimming away. Without trying to hide that lure in its back.
I don't got nothing.
I ain't got nothing.
Shit.
I'm still a part of the flock, right?
Dumbass bird. Damn. Well, I owe you a lure.
All good, all good.
That's a good lure too, yo.
Yeah, I caught you a fucking bird. Was that your first one?
What? My
First seagull?
bird? No.
Oh, okay. Well, the birds aren't here no more.
But the bird ain't flying either. Cause that dumbass knows he can't.
I do want to see what the hell he's gonna do.
Yeah,
He's go to shore.
I'm waiting. Yeah, he's walking the shore.
Stupid ass bird, man.
No, see, he walks. He's walking and he can't do
His
shit.
flying days are over.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh shit, I'm getting hits. Yeah, he ain't flying no more.
Dumbass. Fuck. I fucking hate birds.
Oh my god. Oh, he flying! Put a string on him.
Bring on it, dumbass.
Yo, hey, look at that bird!
He's flying low though. Look at him.
He gonna get caught in a tree.
He can't go far. Yeah, he's gonna get caught in a tree. Fuck. Keep an eye on that
Good
bird.
shit, Nini.
You see it? It's fucking dangling. He's shiny.
Dumb
Dumbass
bird.
Fuck, man.
Good shit.
I always get the bullshit luck, man.
Good fucking shit. Everybody got something! Except what? Shit, that was my fault for wanting to go back. Now the fucking birds are gone.
Yeah, all
They
the birds are
seen
gone.
what you did to
All the birds
it.
are gone now. All the fucking birds are gone now.
Hey,
You
we
see
did
that?
them a favor. We did the bait a favor.
Fuck, man.
That was cool to see though.
Fuck you. Cool for you. You didn't have to deal with.
We found the bird Nene caught. How we know it? It has the same lure stuck on it. And not on his back anymore. How much line you be letting out, bro? 15 feet, that's it, bro.
I don't know, I'm stuck on now.
Let's get that lure back. Reel it in, reel it in. Hold on. Reel it. Yeah. Yo, Hood. Yo, can you help that bird? Can you help him out? Right there, that's a fucking bird. Yeah. Help get it out. Damn, he swam all the way here.
I don't think he swam. I think
Well,
he probably got tired after trying to get off the fucking.
that shit's gonna drown.
Nah, birds will.
Bo! That's the same one! That's the same bird! Yeah, right there! Yeah, it still has the hook on it. I'm trying to get it back. It's in the front now. It's in the front now, not in the back no more.
He's pretty mobile.
His beak is probably wrapped with that shit.
You have a net?
No. Nene, all you, bro.
No, don't hook him again. Well,
Trying to get that lure back.
man, motherfucker. Trying to get the lure back?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I want to at least get the lure off. You know?
I never touched a seagull before. Yo, grab the line. Grab the line behind it.
Yo, this nigga moves, yo.
Right there, you see the line?
Yeah, I don't want to tangle.
You have a snag hook, use that. Or maybe we should just kill it. Foot is an animal person. Be careful, man. Don't fall, alright?
Oh shit, before this.
Hood, the bird master. He caught something too. Yo, circle, Nene, circle him. Yeah, boy. Get a picture, Bo. Got something. Everybody caught something.
Gotta be your new Facebook profile.
Shit, who's the MVP, bro? Everybody posting stripper pictures, dude posting seagull pics. Try to maintain this spot right here. Yeah, I'm reversing, Nini.
Problem is I don't have a hook cutter
They stuck in the beak?
inside his beak, man.
Oh fuck, how the hell that happened?
That's how he did it. Damn, this bird's about to go into seizure.
You can do it, Hood.
Yeah, Terry, man.
Hey, I'm not the one that hooked that bird, bro.
Hey, it wasn't on purpose.
Liar. Yeah, making sure Hood don't flip over. Fuck yeah, Hood. We got the lure back, fellas. It wasn't easy. Oh, that's a big ass wingspan. Hood, you're MVP for this, bro.
Crazy. Real talk. Let me see the scissor.
That's gonna be the thumbnail.
Can I see the scissor real quick? Very shivery. Help? Just hold his leg real quick.
It's in the lock pain on
Hold his beak.
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
Man, I'm hold, you cut it. Can you get it? Yeah. You just cut that part.
Hell yeah. We did it, guys.
Is that it?
You're the man, Hood.
Yep.
Don't throw it at me, though. Cover your face, everybody.
Boy, you poop on me.
Just shut up, you. He literally just shut on you.
I know. He's scared, man.
Come on, Nini.
Alright, we're good.
You about to hook him again.
Hey, Terry, you get some quick bullets?
Some what?
Trying to climb on you.
To the gas?
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's trying to get back on the boat. Yo, maybe let's bring him back to shore.
I'll put him on my...
I think his feathers are too wet.
All right, bro, come on over.
He has to dry up.